Hi friends, welcome back to Aviva's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare buttermilk with the onion. So in this season, that is especially winter season, it's very good for your health. So it will increase your immunity, as well as it will give you a very good relief from cold, cough, or a little internal fever. Okay, so I will show you how to prepare onion buttermilk. So what are all ingredients required to it? So first I have taken here medium sized onion and I have chopped into pieces. Okay, here I have taken equal amount, that is a 1 cup of coconut powder. You can take a freshly grated coconut, also desiccated coconut, anything is fine. So here I have taken some jeera, okay, and pepper seeds. Okay, so it's a this spoon's measurement. Okay, so I have taken a half spoon of jeera and equal quantity of pepper seeds. Okay, then salt as per your taste, water and little ghee to roast this jeera and onion. Okay, let's get started, guys. So initially we have to add 1 spoon of ghee. Okay, then we have to add jeera and pepper seeds and roast it till you get a nice aroma. Okay, now add onion, fry it until you will get a nice aroma from onion. So till that you have to roast it. It will become a little crispy and it will become little soft. So till then you have to fry it. Instead of ghee you can use oil also, but I prefer ghee. Okay, so this is done, guys. So we have to switch on the flame. Let this mixture cool for some time. Okay, so now guys, take a mixie jar and add this onion, jeera and pepper seeds fried mixture. Okay, then add coconut powder. You can add freshly grated coconut, adding salt. Okay, now then afterwards we can add more salt if it is needed. Okay, now add small quantity of water. Okay, then finally you have to paste it. Okay, so this is how it got pasted. Okay, so transfer it to a bowl. Okay, add little water to this mixie jar and make little thin consistency. Okay, if it is becoming very thick, then you can add more water. Okay, we have to heat it, okay, till it gets a nice boil. So here you are able to see this much is fine. Just switch off. Okay, immediately don't put curd or buttermilk. Okay, so once it's after the boiling, So you just have to, after 2 to 3 minutes, we have to add a buttermilk. Now it's been 3 minutes. Okay, slowly add a curd or buttermilk. It's your choice. Okay, mix it. You can feed it to your children as well. Mix it properly. Okay, and serve hot.